This is Quimby at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. Quimby's in the front and Ramona's in the back. And they're a bonded pair. Quimby right here is a boy, and Ramona over there is a girl. And they need to be adopted together. They're very sweet, gentle kitties. What? Oh, what's going on out here, huh? Oh, got the door open. That means I can get some scratches. You got such gorgeous whiskers. Oh. Quimby's a pretty guy. Whoops. Can't say pretty guy, can I? Handsome guy. Alright, I gotta fluff up your hair again out there. No, it can't come out, sweetheart. No. Oh, I want some more padding. Oh, give me more scratches. Oh. Good boy. Good boy, Quimby. Say bye. Say bye.